4 weeks today. Keep track right here of everything, right? Woke up at 1:58, so I dropped really low last week, 1:56, so I got a refeed on Saturday, and then it bumped me up. I don't know why it took so long to actually like hit me, but I forgot to weigh myself, and then all the way. So we're back on track. Yeah, next week I think I start cardio 6 times a week. So that'll be fun. I'll do the math. What the fuck is that? What's 7 times 4? 7 times 2 is 28. 28? Fuck.
If I'm stressing you out, why don't you go? You're wasting your time with your lies, oh. You've been breaking me down. Now it's enough.
Alright guys, so let me make sure this isn't focused on the steering wheel here. So I got a couple of things. I lied, I didn't just get a water, but here's the water. Okay, let me grab the Sharpie. Boom. We are gonna write the 4 on both of these blank sides here. So a big old fat 4. This way when other people who don't really know me see it, they're like, oh, what the fuck, why does he just have a 4 on his jug of water? Like, that's stupid, that doesn't make any sense. But those of y'all who know me and support me and shit, y'all know what it's actually for. So shout out to you guys. Yeah, hopefully the Sharpie doesn't like bleed into the water and I like die or whatever. That would suck. But I also got right over here, I got some flowers that I'm gonna go drop off for Alyssa. And I got some 0 cal Gatorades just to help get that fluid back in me. And I've been watching a lot of Rich Piana, so I got the Mio. It's 0 cals. I'm gonna squirt some of that shit in here and shake it up, and you know, I'll be walking around looking like Big Rich. This dude's looking at me crazy, like I'm talking to a camera in my car or something. There's a fucking bug in here. Oh god, these people are gonna look at me like I'm nuts. I have no idea how much of this shit I'm supposed to put in here, so that looks purple enough to me, I think. Dude! I'm like Rich Piana now. Tastes like very watered down soda, but that's basically exactly what it is, so I don't know why I was expecting anything different. Hell yeah! Now I gotta drink this bullshit. Alright, so delivery was successful. We are now at the gym. Time for cardio and posing. I gotta send check-ins in to Coach Weston, and then yeah, see if we get a diet change or a split change, or I don't know, see if anything changes. But yeah, I'm depleted and flat as hell, but I'm like hyper. I have no idea why. No clue. I think maybe I'm like, my body's finally adjusting and like knowing like, okay, well, you're not gonna feed me, so whatever. Because I'm not even like too dependent on caffeine either. For some reason, this shit has caffeine in it, I just found out, so I don't know how much of it has, like how much caffeine's in it, but whatever. Alright, let's go pose. Is it focused?
Should be. Yes.
Alright guys, 4 weeks. Be that 5%. Rich Piana. I'm watching his videos right now. Well, not right now, but I just finished one. But 60 minutes on the treadie today. Brutal, dude. I was doing 50 for a week, 2 weeks. I don't even know. But five times this week on 60 minutes, and then next week it's 6 times 60 minutes. So steady state. I would be doing the stairs, but like I said, I messed up my back, and doing the stairs just made it worse. So I resorted to the incline treadie on max incline, and then just do that for 60 minutes. You still get the stepping motion. It's not as big, but it's still there, so you're still going on the incline. So that's the best way to go about things.
Well, it's better to get little bits. I think that was just dog. That explains why my coat was shinier.
Speaking of shiny coats, Jack.
Say hi.
Oh, hi.
I'm gonna make her French toast. I'm not making her into French toast, but I'm gonna make French toast for her. So, halfway done with the French toast. I'm making a little bit extra egg so that she can have a little bit more to eat than just the toast. And then the toast itself is in the oven because you have to sear it on the pan and then bake it for a little bit so that it stays nice and juicy. And then I put cinnamon on the toast a little bit, just a little bit, not a ton, because then it'll be a little overpowering. And then after it gets out, we soak it in the syrup and put some sugar on it and then make it look pretty with the strawberries. So yeah, that's her breakfast, and then mine's just gonna be eggs. I just made that shit.
So excited.
So here, we have about 1.5 cups of egg whites and a little bit of yolk, but most of the yolk got soaked up in the bread over here. So 3 slices of toast, which is 6 half slices here, and then strawberries. And we soak the toast in the, I think I already explained this, didn't I?
In the, like, egg whites and the...
Yeah, we soak the toast, right? Then we sear it on a pan. Then you bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you cover it in pretty stuff. So yeah, make sure you put the cinnamon on before you bake it though. I made that mistake. But yeah, let me know how it tastes.
Alright. Well, give me a little bit. Give me a little bit. I'm gonna wait for you.
Let's see how I feel about that.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm right. I'm pretty. You know what I love about me?
So we have decided that we are gonna go we're gonna go to the grocery store and we're gonna come back with ingredients to make, what do you call it?
It's like baked oats.
We're gonna bake some oats into either like cupcake or brownie form, or maybe a little cake, and then she's gonna eat them because I can't, obviously. But she's gonna give you her honest review and honest opinion, and then we'll catch back up after we come home with the ingredients. Big cooking day today, apparently. So here's all the brownie stuff that we're gonna make. Okay. Right there is the ingredients. Found this on the TikTok. We're gonna replace a couple of things with some other stuff because no real need for all of that. That's just extra calories. But big old fatty blender here. Ooh, wrong way. Fat blender here. Good blender. She's gonna be making most of the actual brownie thing, and me, I'm gonna have probably 9 ounces of the steak.
Probably should have used this before I used the syrup with it. Probably a really good idea. Really good idea.
Well, not back off from me, Tony Hart.
Oh, I fixed it. It's not yellow anymore.
I think it's also just my house. Like,
No, look, I fixed it.
This is good. You want some?
Oh, cool.
Because I had it on a cloudy setting
Oh.
instead of the indoor light setting.
Apparently, it's against studio policy to shove your head underneath the yoga machine. Well, some of us wouldn't know. Let it go.
Then,
You can put the stevia in it,
yeah.
just a little bit.
I would say just like a little
Just
bit.
a little bit.
I gotta put milk in there too, and add the oats in. I don't even like that. This one's pretty low. Okay, I feel like that.
Look at how good these look. We might have to make these after my show.
I'll let you know how they are. So there's anything we can like change about it. They look good. They look really good.
Oh yeah, boys. I'm like 90% there on my dad status for the day. Check it out, I got the hat, the Alaska hoodie, you know, the fucking cargo shorts and the high socks, you know, and I'm cooking the food. The next clip will probably be, I'll probably just not show my next meal. I'll just tell you guys. Actually, it doesn't even matter. You guys aren't here for the fucking food anymore, so the next clip will be probably the actual workout.
I'm stressing you out, why don't you go? You're wasting your time with your lies, oh. You've been breaking me down, now it's enough. I should do it again and again, oh. I hope that you'll be gone soon, I can't take no more, oh no. I'll never fall for your lies again, oh. I will never fall for your lies again, oh. You shot me right in the face with a shotgun. You shot me right in the face with a shotgun. You shot me right in the. You shot me right in the. You shot me right in the face with a shotgun.
Who that one? Telling all these stories. I'm telling you it's really getting bored. Who that one? Sharing all these lawsuits. I'm a real deal, baby girl, believe me.
After letting me down, I'm letting you out, wiping your dirt off my soul.